Namaste children, welcome to English class. Children, in our previous class, we were discussing about second lesson. So now explanation of that second lesson is over. Now I request all our parents to make a 2 minutes of audio record of your child's reading. Okay, first lesson or second lesson, any one lesson, you ask your child to read for 2 minutes. Okay, let them read for 2 minutes. That you can make it audio record. Audio record option will be there in the mobile. Please record it for 2 minutes. That audio, 2 minutes of audio record, you can send it to me. It is one of the activity for your children. So please do it, all of you. I request all the parents to do it. Okay. So today onwards, you can send your audio clips to me. Anytime you can send. No problem. Okay. I hope you will do this. Okay, then let us go to the exercise part of the second lesson now, children. Yes. First main is there about tick the correct answers. I hope you are all finished this, I think, already in your textbook. If you are not finished, please see these all the answers I ticked there, correct answers. You have to tick in your textbook. No need to write in the CW. Write in your textbook only. Okay. Then only the things which you don't know, those I am going to explain to you in this video. Which you know, you can do it. Okay. After this class, I will send these. After this video, I will send these all the images to your WhatsApp group, class WhatsApp group. There you can see and write in your textbook. Okay. Textbook need to be updated. Okay. Here, look at this. B main. Write. Yes, I can. Or no, I cannot. Okay, if you can do that work, so that for that we have to write I can. If you don't know for something, you should do that. You should write there no, I cannot. Okay, so do it now. Yes. First one you see, can you singing the songs? Can you sing a song? If you can, you write yes, I can. If you can't, you write no, I cannot. Second one, can you swim? Can you swim in the water, swimming like fish in the water? If you can write yes, I can. If you can't, you write I cannot. No, I cannot. Third one, can you catch a ball? If you can, if it is possible from your side, you write yes, I can. You can't catch a ball, you write no, I cannot. Next, fourth one, can you ride a cycle? Okay, it means bicycle. Here that girl is riding a bicycle, no? Like that. Can you ride a bicycle? If you can, you write yes, I can. If you can't, you write no, I cannot. Okay. Fifth one, can you dance? Okay, for the music or something, can you dance? If it is possible from your side, you write yes, I can. If you can't, you write no, I cannot. Like that. And sixth one, can you fly a kite? Kite means galipata or patanga, we are telling, no? So this is kite. Okay. Can you fly a kite? Yes, everybody will be happy to fly a kite. Okay, you are also and myself also. So we will be happy to fly a kite. So yes, I can, you have to write. No means no, I cannot. Yes means I can. Yes, I can. So for example, can you write this sentence? If I ask to you what your answer should be? Yes, Guruji, I can. If you can't write means no, Guruji, I cannot. Like that, you have to update these sentences. Okay, then next part, I'll read out these words. You just listen carefully. Okay, listen my pronunciation. First one, get, net, pet, wet, red, bed, lead, hen, ten, peg. Here, middle letter, in each word you see, all the words you see, in the middle is there letter E. Okay, its pronunciation is, its sound is here, A, get, N, E, net, A pronunciation. Okay, the pronunciation or sound of the letter E is A, elephant, you know, elephant, like that, E. Next one, D main, you come here, you have to write a double letters. Here one is done for you, RABBIT, rabbit. Okay, in Kannada you are doing ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ಕಾಕೆ ಕಾ ಸೇರಿಸಿದರೆ ಅಕ್ಕ, ಪಾಕೆ ಪಾ ಸೇರಿಸಿದರೆ ಅಪ್ಪ, like that. In English we are writing like this. Okay, when double letters are coming we are writing like this, two letters we are writing together, RABBIT, rabbit. TUNNEL, tunnel means suranga or something under the ground, we are moving, no, under the ground there will be a road or something. For example, when we go to Vasapete, on the way to Vasapete, we are getting there, nearby to Vasapete there is a tunnel. Okay, we are passing through the tunnel, tunnel means suranga. So whenever you go to Vasapete you can see the tunnel. Okay, you tell your parents, Papa, it is the tunnel, like that you can say. Next, third one, what is this? Butter, benne, we are telling, no, butter, BUTTER, butter. Last one, PUPPET, puppet means gombe, we are telling, no, sutradu gombe, here are threads. Okay, using those threads we are going to play this toy. Okay, ಈ ಗೊಂಬೆನ ಆಡಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ದಾರಗಳೇ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ತೊಗಲು ಗೊಂಬೆ ಆರ್ ಸೂತ್ರದ ಗೊಂಬೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ puppet we are calling it. Okay, yes. Next, double letters we have to write this, BB. Okay, here BB, here NN, here TT, here PP. Puppet, butter, tunnel, rabbit. Over. Next, E main. Come to E main. Read the words, circle the odd word in each line. You have to listen the sounds, you have to see the sounds of those words which have same sound, those you have to leave. You know the rhyming words which are having same pronunciation, they are all rhyming words, those you have to leave. Which have different sound, so in each line there is a word, it has a different pronunciation, that you have to circle. Already I circled here, you see, back, pack, duck, sack, these three are having same sound, back, pack, sack, but duck is different sound, so duck is circled. Second one, feed, seed, bead, BEAD, bead means stone, something important stone, havala, like those things we are calling, no, stones, important stones, they are beads. And the last one is said, feed, seed, bead, these are all having same pronunciation, but last one said, it is having different, so I circled said. Next, third one, cow, low, how, now, so these three are having same sound, cow, how and now, so it is having different sound, that is low, that is why we need to circle low, LOW, low. Then LOW, low it become. Fourth one, cone, bone, tone, all these three are having same sounds, cone, bone, tone. Last one is done, it is having different sound, no, yes, that is why it is circled here, done, 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 circle it. Then come to F main, fill in the blanks, choose words from the brackets. They given two options here, we have to choose those words, correct words, and fill in this. My name dash, here what is the name of this bird here, it is Dippy, so my name is Dippy, or my name am Dippy, my name is Dippy, it is correct sentence, so is we have to fill here. Second, I dash a duck, I am a duck, I at a duck, I am a duck, correct is that am we have to fill here. I dash like to swim, who like to swim, duck, duck means it is telling itself, no, so I like to swim. Then look dash Rosie, it is saying that look at Rosie, is Rosie, not at Rosie, it means Rosie nodu anta artha, Rosie means rabbit. Fifth one, what dash you like to eat, what am you like to eat or what do you like to eat. So am means it is wrong. So it will not be correct sentence, meaningful sentence. So we need to fill there do. What do you like to eat? Last one. I want dash a. I want a carrot. A carrot or am carrot. So a carrot is correct. Am carrot it become meaningless. So that I want a carrot. It is correct word, correct sentence. Okay. My name is Dippy. I am a duck. I like to swim. Look at Rosie. What do you like to eat? Last one. I want a carrot. These are the words. And look at this. Look at this picture. And these things are here in this image. We have to number them. We have to number them all. Okay. So where is table? We have to give number. Number 3. Name of the number of the table is 3. That number you have to give to the table here. Table is here. Okay. There you have to give. So like that all the image in this image which are all the things are there. Their names are here. We have to number them. Next. H main. Here you have to write persons names, places names, animals names and things names. Okay, one is done for you already. Anita they given. Here three another 2 persons name you write. Here 3 places name, any place. Hosapete, Agribamnalli, Kotturu and Chintrapalli, like that. Any 3 places name you can write. Animals name, tiger, lion, cat, dog, okay, bear, like that. Any 3 animals name you write. Last things names. Duster, table, pencil, pen, stone, eraser, like that. Any 3 things names you have to write. Okay. Yes. Next I main. Listen carefully. It is. Listen carefully. It is here. Look at this. Your teacher will say some words. Repeat after her or him. If you are in the class, I could do that, but now it is not possible. So then, speak well option is here. Talk to your partner. You can talk to your parent, your father or mother or your brother or sister. Who will be there in front of you? To them you can speak. You need to speak. Can you sing? You need to ask them. Can you sing? Then your partner, it means who will be there in front of you, they will answer, yes, I can. Or can you dance? They will ask again. Then you need to say, I cannot. No, I cannot. Or if it is possible from your side, you write there, yes, I can. Okay, that you can do it. Then you may use these. Okay, comb your hair. Okay, bachiniki and bachkolo. That is comb your hair. Can you comb your hair? Yes, I can. Peel an orange. It means sippetayo. Peeling an orange. That is peel an orange. Yes, can you? Yes, I can. No means no, I cannot. Climb a tree. Yes, I can. No means no, I cannot. Catch a ball. Yes means yes, I can. No means no, I cannot. Like that. Here they given options also for you to speak with your partner. Next, write well. Here it is there. You need to write there verbs. It means action words we have to tell. When I am taking grammar class, there I will teach you what is verb. Okay. So look, a monkey is sitting. Where is that monkey? It is sitting on the tree. Okay, sitting on the tree. Next. My school bus is, where it is? My school bus is moving on the road. Moving on the road. The peacock is what it is doing here. Look at it. Look at this picture. It is dancing. The peacock is dancing. Then next one. What these children are doing? Which game they are playing? Football game. So we like to play football. Over. Next, come to L main. You need to ask your mummy and papa, and you yourself you have to answer. Mummy, can you sing? Yes, your mother, if she can sing, you write here, you put here tick mark. If she can't means you put here wrong mark. Then you can ask papa. If he says yes, you can put right mark. If he can't, you put there wrong mark. Then you, can you sing yourself? You need to ask. If it is possible, if you can sing, you can write here, you can put here tick mark. If you can't, you write, you tick here, you put here wrong mark. Next, cook, dance, drive, paint, eat, write. These are all the words same like that only. And last, now write about things that you can do. What you can do? I can sing, I can read, or I can play. These kind of things you can do. You can dance, I can run, I can sleep. These are all the things you can. Any verb you can fill here. Then later, questions and answers are not there for this lesson, second lesson. I prepared myself these 4 questions. Okay, you can write these 4 questions in your English CW, and rest of the things you can write in your textbook only, update in textbook. And when you are coming to show your notebooks for the correction, so only show questions and answers in the CW and other mains in the textbook. Okay, no need to write in the textbook CW all those things, it will be heavy for you. Okay, so look at these questions and answers. First question, what are the names of 2 friends? The names of 2 friends are Dippy Duck and Rosie Rabbit. Okay, the second question, where were Duck and Rabbit playing? Where they were playing? Duck and Rabbit were playing near the pond. Next, third one, who can swim among those 2? So here Dippy Duck can swim. Last one, who can hop? Okay, some of you are pronouncing this HOP, hope. It is not hope, it is hop, HOP, hop. Okay, who can hop here? Hop means jump. Okay, who can hop? Rosie Rabbit can hop. Okay, these are the 4 questions and answers you can write in your English CW. I hope I am clear. Now this exercise part of the second lesson is over. In our next class we can go for the third lesson. Take care, and don't forget, I requested parents to send the audio clip of your child's reading, that you can send it to me later. Okay, I hope I am clear. Take care all of you. Dhanyavad.